to add funds to your Steam wallet is really straightforward and simple. First of all, you want to open up the Steam application. Let me just go to the store here real quick. And then what you want to do is click on your profile name at the top right. Okay, click on that and then click on to account details. And then once you click on account details, you'll see your wallet balance right there. For me, it's 0. And then you can see it says add funds to your Steam wallet. Click on add funds to your Steam wallet, and then you can choose the minimum level here. It's about 5 USD. Then what you can do is you can either redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code, or you can simply add funds with your credit card. So what you do is you put in your details right here. You click on continue, and then that payment will go through. And then the next time you go to account details, you'll see your updated wallet balance there. And that's it. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.